April 23, 4 o'clock. So today or tomorrow morning, they're going to bring down barn number 1 to 3. I'm currently at barn number 5, and the smell, there's a draft coming through there, and the smell of tobacco is overwhelming, powerful. So this the covers are fixed to allow for faster curing. So that is the color, what you call yellow, or the color of, well, it's kind of, a person said to me, it has to have the color of a bean. I don't know if it's roasted bean. It doesn't look like roasted bean. So it must be when the bean, coffee bean is hasn't been roasted. That's what it looks like, yellow like this. So all the way to barn number 7. There's a lot of tobacco leaves that's on the ground. I'm not sure. Need to plan to manage or mitigate the tobacco leaves like that. I mean, that's anyway. Just say there's a lot of tobacco leaves on the ground, so I have to learn how to manage that. To hopefully they're not wasted. They can be picked up. Hopefully, maybe. So I'm going to see barn number 1 to 3. See what it look like. So we're debating whether to flood the tobacco fields. So what I've learned is when the heads are lopped off, these things here they need to be removed. The reason is these extra whatever, I don't know what to call it yet. It takes energy from the developed leaves, and the leaves is reduced in weight. They go to that. The nutrients goes to that to help it grow. So I instructed young Claude to go and get rid of them, but he hasn't done it, or maybe he has. I don't know. I mean, this is really bad. It has lots of it. So this will reduce the mass of each leaves, and they're already flowering. Not sure. I did instruct him to remove them. This is busy. So this is barn number 1, and the clear canvas is flapping in the wind. It's supposed to be fixed to the side, not like that. I don't know. Maybe it's okay. So we're going to look underneath. So this is what a cured tobacco leaves look like this. It still has some green. Is that good or bad? I don't know. Look like. So this is open up like this, and my meter is over here. It's still working, so I'm gonna get data from it later. So is that supposed to be like this? Is it supposed to be opened? Barn number 2. supposed to be like this, fixed. Barn number 3. So we're taking down barn 1 to 3. And then barn number 4. Okay. So what's going on with barn number 1? Why is it like that? I'm just gonna call junk cod. So I'm bringing the temperature probe home. I have enough data. So basically, so this is the downloaded data from the thermopro. I started to record the temperature April 13, and which has the highest temperature 60 degrees and 94 degrees and 94% relative humidity. And during the night it goes down below hanging around 20% relative humidity. It goes up and down all the way to April 23. So the temperature over time, as you can see, is 60 degrees, 59, 58, and it changes. It is now hovering, well, the lowest it got on the peak is 50 degrees. And now the relative humidity as of 23 April is 80%. So this is what the data look like over time from start to finish. So it gets pretty hot, 60 degrees. And then some days, for example, April 20 went down to 50 and then it went up again. So there's a cycle. And of course the relative humidity cycles during the day hot, and then during the night low, and then the day comes. So it's like a let's see, asymmetric sinusoid. So yeah, this is what the data look like. Now if you look at the I think I have it as month, week, day. So actually if you look at the night, it goes up and down. The temperature during the day goes up and down. Just I didn't zoom in before, so curious. Yeah, must be when the wind is blowing, the temperature fluctuates. So that's it for data analysis of the barn. The highest is 95% relative humidity. That was with 60 degrees. Now the temperature is between 60, well, it's around 50 degrees now. So the highest, the last days of this barn. The humidity inside the barn at this point is bordering around 80% RH. So I think with this quality of tobacco, I don't know, what am I looking at? I'm looking at yellow tobacco. Is that what you call yellow? And it's crispy. You know, there's a company here called Crispy King. So now when we bring it home, they're going to sort the leaves with the green. So any tobacco with greenish looking is of low quality. So what do you do with these? How do you make them all look green so that they don't look, it's almost like exposure. I mean, it's curved within the leaves, so it's almost like when the tobacco are skewered, yeah, something is telling me that something is not done right. What do I know? What am I looking at? Why is it green? So I'll talk to the expert. Why is it look like that? What's wrong with? Because that changes the quality of the tobacco. Anyway, growing tobacco in the Philippines, fun a minute. Thanks for watching.